Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. SA Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. This is going to be right from 17th May till 23rd of May 2021, though timeless readings, okay? The energy around you is about, okay, I used the Sibilla Oracle here, this one deck. You have two cards from that while I was meditating for you. And there is someone who is becoming, first message is inconsistent, okay, in something. Or maybe they're taking someone too easy, like for granted. There is something kind of like one person being too loyal or too confident or putting in too much of confidence in the other energies. So I feel like here one energy is too loyal towards the person, though it should be in the relationship, but when the other energy is not, then there is a problem, okay? You have the bottom energy as pleasure seekers. There are quite interest matters here around someone, or someone who is interested in other energies a lot, or over partying, exaggeration of some things, or exceeding some limit here. You have size, and you have faithfulness. This was the flip of, like, this flipped like this, and this was coming out, okay, kind of energy, which was telling me that someone is too loyal towards the other energy, and the person is like, someone over here is on weight, okay, and I am figuring out it's kind of like a weight zone. Or other person, this may be even the friendship wherein the one person is feeling that how faithful this person is to me, okay, and it's not that the other energy in this case, okay, it's not that the other energy is doing wrong, it's just that how can someone be too loyal towards me, okay, that kind of energy is also coming. However, I feel someone's defenses are up here. For what reason? I don't understand here. We're going to dig deep here, but you have Seven of Wands energy, defenses up against sort of like no communication. They don't want any kind of communication, I feel. There's a problem. And I felt this kind of energy as a heavy card, but it's not two. This is just one card. But I felt as if it's two, okay? Two energies, two connected energies. So I feel the energy of both the, as an individual personality, both energies, residing in this card. Let's just say that Eight of Wands energy, okay, it's just the heavy energy of like I want to, but it's kind of like there's a mask kind of. For some, I don't feel this is like deception. It's more of like they're not even acknowledging it. They don't know that this is the case, okay? They might be like, oh, this is me, and I just love partying, or when they do, they don't acknowledge, or they don't, you know, see towards their own actions what they are doing, and the other person in this relationship, whatever your relationship is, they are feeling, or they are having that sigh moment, which is problem, okay? But the person is not realizing that. I feel that kind of energy. Let's see. So the one person is like, they're having this question of like, am I being too faithful towards them? Am I being too you know, giving my energy towards this person? So there is something like that. If this is like from two sides, then yes. Or maybe this is about your own energy in this format, where you're taking the pain, and you know that someone is like, you know, putting things on hold here, and they're testing, they're taking you for granted here, and then again you are having like like reading the message and then dropping the rose down. This is about how long will I be in this situation, okay? Someone's defenses are up, definitely. And it's also about the question of sincerity or faithfulness of the other energy for some cases. Let's see. They're saying that to tell you, question it. So I feel like this is going to be the time when you're going to have this rose that's going to fall, something that you're reading, and this may be the excuse that they do give, and you being truthful, faithful doesn't make sense here, and they may be giving you excuse of like, I'm being faithful, which might not be the case here. So they are saying that question it. So maybe they are saying that you need to question this faithfulness of the person, okay? It's high time. It's high time, because I see excuses of emotions, like making someone too emotional and giving excuses and kind of energy wherein it's not convinced, it's manipulation. Oh God. And you got the card Magician, which is about question. It does come with this as well. It's like manifest what you really think, what you really want, and what you really should. And this is about you have all the answers now. Like you have the proof. You know how they react, how they do all the stuff. With the Magician, a manipulator or the manipulator, okay, and this is going on since some time in your life. So for some cases, yes. A certain kind of collaboration over here, work or relationship is not right, okay, which means that you are staying in, or this may be business, shares, partnership, this may be relationship here, and something is off about this. It's like out of sympathy you just let it go, let it pass sometimes, and you know, but you don't want to stretch it, okay, and they know it that you don't do it. This is also certain kind of communication that someone is doing up, I pass, okay, because they don't want to answer. This is also Three of Pentacles, which may be that in this time frame there's going to be certain communication, deep communication, and it's going to be very sincere communication, which is about, yes, I do talk in my Aquarius readings sometimes, and in many, like a square, sincere and serious. So this I feel like is that square which is coming in your timeline. And this Three of Pentacles is about the facts that you're going to discuss, that whether you really want to continue with this collaboration, whatever this is, relationship or business, okay. With this, I also feel that there is involvement. With the pleasure seeker, it does feel like someone is flirting with someone or just ignoring some things, and they do the stuff and they don't realize it. I'm having this heavy energy of the person doesn't realize it because they feel like I have all the sources, because I'm supposed to, because I can do it. That kind of energy is hurting, okay. Someone doesn't feel that the other energy is feeling empty or hollow, okay. They just do it, and they just do it like pass. So I feel like your overall energy is about realizing what size you're going through, and what kind of faithfulness you're expecting from the person, or what kind of faithfulness you are providing, and what kind of faithfulness they are providing to you, okay. There's a sigh in the faithfulness. There's a lot that you need to know beyond what they show you as Ace of Cups. The love, okay, fine. Just saying I love you doesn't mean that it's love, because love does need patience, yes. Love does need assurance, and I feel assurance is not here. Something is hidden and they're not telling. There's a duality in this situation, okay, and it's going on since like a infinity. 0808 recording time was there. So the moon may be a Piscean, but with this I see there's a conflicting situation. It's like time that the water is going to come up, and with that many things will come out. Emotional waves, emotional things. I'm hearing the word saturation. How it goes for you, just if it pertains, you know, just grab it. But I feel it's going to be the crossing, okay. Like this is the time. It's like you need to tell me what we are, where we are. I just heard that someone is not committing here. So that's why maybe you have this question of like what we are. If this is not marriage, then what we are. It's like always manipulation, always putting upper hand here. I feel that kind of energy. Where we are, where is the commitment? Look, Two of Swords energy. You are at cross with someone. You're at cross with unsure energy, like uncertain. Yes, uncertain energy. Yes, someone is too themselves, or they're just not thinking about you, okay, or they just don't notice. I'm hearing unreliable as well for some cases, but with the Four of Pentacles, it's like someone doesn't want to let go the other energy. Maybe that's what the sigh with the faithfulness is from your side. But it's also the complexity that the person is having, or someone who's not opening up. Someone over here is also possessive, but maybe we can put it in obsessive manner as well. There's a difference obviously, but there is also something that is telling me that they just want to hang on the way it is, or they just want to let it pass, like, or let it go, let it flow like the way it is. They don't want any kind of change here. So this may be that you are lingering on with such a relationship which you should not be, or you should not be in that. But I also feel like with this in your future, it is supposed to be the breaking point, I feel. Okay, because it's like from all the angles, like air, water, earth, fire. It's like a pressure that they are trying to tell you, like break it, break it, break it, break it, and you're going to question it. Break it. Death card. It's going to happen something. Maybe a Scorpio, not necessarily though, but Scorpio, scorpionic vibe. Okay, what? The inner truths will come up. The Scorpio will come out from the desert. Okay. But death, rest in peace. Death is a transition, endings and beginnings, rebirths. I heard realizations, 9 of Cups though. Soulmate connections, twin flames connections, O connection, whatever your relationship is, recording time 11:11. 9 of Cups is the truth will be out about the 4 of Pentacles. Okay, there's a fear of losing someone as well. This person need to decide. Okay, they are having the world behind them, and this is like there's a priority conflict, I feel. Okay, I feel like it's with this person, and it's like, you know that I cannot, that's why I said so, linger on. Like, you know that I cannot let this person go because I love them. Okay, or maybe this person is having overconfidence about the fact that you are not going to do anything, that you are going to stay the way you are because you're so much attached, or you don't have that confidence possible, you know, to take any step to leave them. Yeah, that kind of energy is also coming. They might be feeling like, oh, she or he is overwhelmed with my love, kind of energy. Someone is having secrets of the other person as well. Like, someone opened up too much, confided in too much, and now the other energy might be feeling, they can't, you know. But that's not the case, I feel. I'm telling you, this energy is here, and continuation of something is here. Might be changing shapes, but there is something that is in the center, like an infinity zone. 7 of Wands energy is trying to give me the energy of even 9 of Wands. What? Doubts? So yeah, this is a question on sincerity of the relationship, and someone is looking at you, or you're looking at the person. I feel it's you. You're looking at the person or the situation with full of doubts. You don't trust this person anymore. It's high time kind of energy to break free. Okay, this card just slipped. 2 of Wands energy. It's high time, recording time 13:13. Death scenario, change scenario, looking forward to say adios to one place or to situation, to gather courage, to take stand and decide. Some of you are releasing whatever you are releasing, but with this 2 of Wands, it's like you're prepared now. Okay, now you're prepared. I'm prepared. Maybe you're having certain communication with someone close to you, and you're saying, I'm prepared now. Okay, I have to take this decision. Ace of Wands is my karma card. I'm hearing upgrade. I also was shuffling, and you had the calendar card. During that time, I'm going to shuffle it more, but I feel it's time. Like, the month is changing, obviously. Like, impossible in the month of May you're deciding, or maybe June you are going to decide. Like, just this month you're seeing something, you might be exploring something, kind of like for the final. I'm again hearing the word saturation. I don't know. Okay, I'm missing you. Okay, fine. Missing you. Someone over here is definitely missing you, and they're going to come when you are about to make a decision. Okay, because there are defenses of, I told you, on and off situation. It's when they are going to miss you more when you're going to take certain action here, and this is going to be the energy possible in the future of someone who is on no, I can't let you go. That's the high time, high point when they are going to realize something possible. Window, looking the truth out. I have this heavy energy of 2 cards again, but it's just one. Sometimes the card sticks together. Window, looking forward to make better decision. Or someone is missing you and there is a window popping up, or a message is coming, or email, or whatever the call, you know, I miss you. Okay, it's like, hey, I miss you, that kind of energy. So there's going to be question, do they care if they say miss you? Do they care? I hope this is going to help you guys, and see you soon. Work on the energy of like not being in sigh moment more, not letting things stay in your life out of sympathy, because these things don't work actually in the long run. Everyone is aware, but you just need to know how faithful they are. Possible this is going to be the testing time for you guys of faithfulness, because I feel there is someone, but maybe this is you, but I feel like you're being too faithful. You're a very, very faithful partner. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.